Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung Express SL-M2022W laser printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also easy and simple. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Samsung Express SL-M2022W printer driver and hit enter. Printer driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com. HP printer and Samsung printers are now combined. That's why all Samsung printer drivers are now on the HP printer. Go to this support.hp site. Here we find the printer name. Open the first link. Official website is open and here we find our printer name and here we find our operating system and the bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit and click on the update. After that, refresh this page. This page is automatically refreshed. After that, go to the bottom and here we find driver product installation software. Go to the driver product installation software, expand it. Here we find basics drivers, expand it. Here we find two drivers. First is the Samsung SL-M2022 series printer driver, no installer. You can download this and manually install that printer, or go to this Samsung SL-M2022 series printer driver. I go to these drivers. Okay, I go to these drivers and click on the download. Wait for a few seconds and it's redirect to another HP page and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. After download is complete, we go to our next step. Download is almost complete. Go to downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install this setup file. Double click on it or right click on it and click on run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds. It's unzip and installation is started on our Windows 10. Here is our welcome screen. Here we find next. Click on the next. Here we find terms and conditions. Select this. Check these two marks and click on the next. Here we find three options. Okay. New printer. If you select new printer, then your new setup. Then click on the new setup. If you install your printer sometime, and after that if you want to update that printer driver, then click on existing. And if you not connect your printer or not attach your USB cable to PC to laptop from the printer or not power on your printer, then select no printer connection. I select new printer and click on the next. Here we find three options. First is the USB, second is the network, and third is the wireless. First is if you select you connect your printer USB to PC or laptop, then select USB and power on your printer. Okay, and if you select network, then your Ethernet connection is attached to your printer to your PC or laptop or multiple PC or laptop, then click on the network. And if you select wireless, then you can use your router, mobile or your PC to give print from the your Wi-Fi. If you select this, then click on the next, select your Wi-Fi and add your Wi-Fi or router password and give print from the your print PC or laptop or mobile. Okay, I am selecting USB. I select USB, I attach USB and click on the next. Here we find some options. Click on next and click on the next. Here we find properties. Click on the properties and change the printer name. Give the printer name. If printer name is not right, then give the printer name. I give SL-M SL-M2022W. You can give any name that you like and click on the OK. After that, click on the next. Installation process is started and it takes few seconds. So be a patient and wait for a few minutes to properly install these printer drivers on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Our printer is installed. Click on the finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Samsung SL-M2022W, then we are install our printer properly, or that name that you give on this printer, then that you find that printer, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.